it's me, Terri, of the Yarnjoy podcast. Welcome to Vlogmas, day 1 of 2023. So excited to get started this month with Vlogmas. So I'm going to be doing a swap with Taralynn, and I will link her YouTube channel down below in the description box. Her YouTube channel is called All Yarned Up, and so we sent each other a box, okay, to use through Vlogmas, okay, and in the box were individual packages, and mine were numbered 1 through 30, and each package has a scrap ball, and then I gave her a little extra thing in each package. Well, anyway, so she sent me a packet. Oh, and then we sent, then I also included a Christmas gift to open on day 25, okay, December 25th, for her. You know, it was in her package. Okay, so she sent me a package, and in my package, she sent me scrap balls. She did not number them, so I'm just going to be, the way I'll be using them is I'm just going to put my hand in and grab a package, and I can show you. I have all the scrap balls right here in this plastic containers, you know, easy for me to get into. And so I will be picking a scrap ball out of this package, okay, each day. And with that scrap ball, I'm going to be making a scrap blanket, okay? And I've decided, I think, that I'm going to be doing a scrappy rectangle blanket. Now, I'm not sure yet. I'm just going to wait until I start working it and see what I think. But I'm going to, it'll either be a granny stitch rectangle or a block stitch rectangle blanket, very similar. And so I'm not sure exactly which one. I'll let you know tomorrow because each day, you know, like tomorrow I will show you the progress of my blanket, the color that I did, you know, the previous day, the scrap ball that I drew out and put in the blanket. And so you get to watch it grow over this month, okay? And so so I did that. Also in her package, she has these random, ever so often, she has these other random packages in the box that I have down here that she has dates on for me to open a particular day throughout the month. And I always, like I mentioned yesterday in the regular podcast video, that she always outgives me. You know, she goes the extra mile. She's so sweet. She's so generous. And so I have little extra packages to open as well. She also included a chocolate advent calendar right here. So I will be opening one of these each day, and there'll be a little piece of chocolate inside, a little treat, okay? And then the other thing I'm going to be doing for Vlogmas is I'm going to be watching a Christmas movie each day, and so I will let you know the movie I'm going to be watching, and then while I'm watching the movie, I will be putting my scrap ball into my project. Also, I bought this jigsaw puzzle, and it is an advent calendar jigsaw puzzle. And so here is the picture. I thought it was really interesting because each image is kind of a vintage looking Christmas image, and I just thought it was such a pretty picture. I think that's neat. I like old vintage Christmas things. And so so for day 1, you know, and so each one is numbered, and you see day 1 will be this little square right there, okay? And so today when I watch my Christmas movie and I use up my scrap ball, then I will be doing this square right here for today, day 1, while I'm watching the movie, okay? And then each day I will open another another little box, because in this box, let me show you, I've already got number 1 pulled out, but see, they're all little boxes right here, numbered, and so there's puzzle pieces in each box, and so and they will build onto each other, and so I will be able to show you. I've got a puzzle board here. I will be able to show you the you know, as the puzzle is growing, okay, because they'll all like connect together. Anyway, so I think that is it, right? My scrap ball, my puzzle, the Christmas movie, and the chocolate. Yeah, the chocolate advent calendar. And so I hope that you will follow along. I may tell you what I did that day. Also, you know, maybe what's for dinner, if I'm making anything interesting for dinner, or if I'm baking anything. Just, you know, we'll have a nice visit each day. So I hope that you will follow along each day, and let's go through or journey through the month of December together. And I will be doing even, you know, up to New Year's Eve. And then I will end New Year's Eve, the last day, which is December 31st. I will reveal my whole blanket. Well, the puzzle will be done before then because it's got 24 little boxes. But so on day 25, I'll reveal the whole puzzle. But then I'll keep going with the scrap balls. I will reveal the whole blanket on New Year's Eve. And then probably I'm thinking what I will do on New Year's Eve, since I won't have any other new packages to open for the next day, which would be New Year's Day. I think I will end the year with going over my goals that I set on New Year's Day for this year and see what I accomplished and what I didn't accomplish. And then yeah, and then I'll come on New Year's Day for I haven't even started setting goals for next year. I think they're going to be super simple, but I will have a video for that. Okay, let's get started with Vlogmas Day 1. Okay, so for Vlogmas Day 1, I'm going to pick a scrap ball out of that bin. Okay, so get my box here. Okay, let me balance it on my ironing board here so then I can hold it up, dig down in there, and I will pick out this one. Okay, so let me put this down, put the box over here, and we will see what color my blanket is going to be starting with. Okay, I love these little bags that she got. They're like little drawstring bags. Okay, I got it open. Ooh. Oh, that's a pretty color. So my blanket is going to start out with this beautiful, it's kind of an orange, burnt orange, maybe, I guess you'd say. If you're from Texas, I would say University of Texas orange, because the school here, University of Texas, UT, has this color, the orange and white. So I'm going to be starting with this with my blanket. And tomorrow I will show you how big it worked up just using this ball. Okay, so that is for that. Okay, for the scrap blanket. Also, there was a package in there that says Merry Christmas, open December the 1st. Okay, so let's open that. I already snipped it open. I haven't looked inside though, but I just kind of got started with opening it. There's lots of tape. So, sorry for the crinkling and ripping noises. But let me try to get it open here. Okay. Oh, I got it. Oh, cool. So, she ordered me she got me some dresses for the Feel Better Friend dolls that I make. That size dress. That's awesome. Well, thank you so much, Taralynn. I'll open them right quick. So these are for the Feel Better Friend dolls, that size. So here is a little mermaid dress. Isn't that cute? Okay. And this one, let's see what this one is. Let me use the scissors. Okay, get into it. There. Aw, here's another one. Just needs some pressing. It's got some little animals on it. Cute little sleeveless dress. I love it. This is going to be so cute on those Feel Better Friend dolls when I have a girl doll to make. And one more. Let me open this one. Oh, this one is really soft. And is another little sleeveless dress. Cute little skirt. Thank you so much, Taralynn. And of course, I will be using them. Okay, so that is that package. The next thing I will open, let's see, I've got day number 1 of my puzzle. It's just going to look like puzzle pieces, but I'm going to try to open the box really carefully so that way I can put it all back in there, and maybe my son and daughter-in-law would like to use this for next year, and because they like to do puzzles. Okay, so see, here's my puzzle pieces. So I will be putting that together while I'm watching my Christmas movie. Okay, my Christmas movie for today, I mentioned it yesterday in the Yarnjoy podcast episode video, but my Christmas movie for today is the 1947 version of Miracle on 34th Street, because I love the Natalie Wood version, and that's the one. It's the 1947. I did look online just to see if I could find it streaming somewhere so that I could give everybody a link to it, and I found it on Hulu. So if you have Hulu, it's there. I found it. In fact, there's more than one version, so I might watch the other version that's on there. I might do that and watch two. I don't know. I'll let you know tomorrow if I did. But that it's on there. I think it might be on Amazon Prime. I didn't look it up to confirm, but I'm thinking it might be on there. Not sure. But anyway, the 1947 version of Miracle on the 34th Street. Okay, I always like to start with that because it starts with Thanksgiving Day, Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. And so I always thought that's a good, and you know, it goes from Thanksgiving into the Christmas season, and I think it's just a great movie to start with. Okay, so that is the movie I'm going to be watching. Okay, let's open up the chocolate advent calendar and we will get the piece of chocolate out. Here's day one right here. So I'm going to open up this little window. Oh, it's cute. It's a little chocolate. It's a chocolate train. See? Can you wait? Ooh. Yeah, I think, yeah, you can see it. See, it's a train, the train engine. Okay. So good, cool. Nice little treat, little piece of chocolate. Okay. And then let's see, what else was I going to share with you? I think that is it. I do want to say that I got a Christmas gift from my friend Amy, the one I talk about a lot on here. My friend Amy, that we go to church together, but then also we go to the ladies craft group Saturday, you know, one Saturday a month, and she's the one that invited me to that group originally, and I don't get to go every month, but I try to go as much as I can, and she goes as well. So she brought me a little birthday present and gave it to me last night. I got it from her yesterday, and so let me show you what she gave me. Okay, so in the package, the first thing I was going to show you is this tote bag. It is so cute. Look, it's a gnome. And when I looked at first, I just saw the gnome and the flowers, and I thought that was so cute. And it's like embroidered or stitched on, you know, maybe with an embroidery machine. I'm not sure. But then I looked at it again, and I'm like, oh, look, those are yarn balls. That's so cute. I have no idea where she got it, but it's so cute. Isn't that cute? And it has a longer handle. They're just, you know, tied together here. And I love tote bags. I've always got crochet projects that I can put in them. So thank you so much, Amy. I know she watches my videos. And then she also gave me a beautiful card. I didn't bring it in here. It's in the other room. But it is so beautiful, so sweet. I love it. And then this little thing here, it is a little notepad. And it says, trust in the Lord with all your heart. Proverbs 3:5. Isn't that pretty? And it's got a little magnet here, and you lift up the flap, and then it's a little notepad. I don't think it's sticky note. No, it's just a little notepad. Isn't that so pretty? Very pretty floral design. So sweet. I love it. And then also in the package was this little hummingbird. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. It's like an ornament. I guess you could use it in an ornament, but I'm, of course, going to have it hanging all the time. But look. It's a hummingbird, and it is this beautiful, like, crystal color. And look how it shimmers. Isn't that so pretty? It's like iridescent, I guess you'd say. Opal-ish type. I don't know. It's so pretty. I love it. It's so pretty. And so I'm going to find a special place to hang it. I would like to hang it where everybody can see it. I don't know if I hang it back here, if you'll be able to see it in the background. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. So I don't know. I'll either have it here or I'll have it hanging in. I have a little shelf kind of thing close to my desk in my other room, and I have hummingbirds. I used to collect hummingbirds quite a bit, and so I've got some other hummingbirds in there. I can maybe attach that to the edge of the shelves, you know, where it can hang down. It's kind of a curio cabinet type thing, but it doesn't have doors on it. But anyway, I'm going to find a special place to put it so I can see it. So, yeah, it's so pretty. So, thank you again, Amy, so much. I love my gifts. Oh, and there was a little magnetic bookmark. It's like I have some, I don't know if I have them in here, but it's a little magnetic bookmark. It's like shaped like a rectangular shape. It's like two-sided, and you open it up. It sticks together, but you open it up, and you can put it on your pages, you know, and it's magnetic. And I believe it matches the note cards because it's a floral design. And so that was in there also. I forgot to bring it in here. Okay, so thank you so much. I love my gift. All my gifts. Okay, and so that is it, I guess. I had a busy morning this morning. I had to go run a whole bunch of errands. I took the blankets that I wanted to donate. I took that to the lady and got to meet her. And so she took my blankets, and we got to visit a little bit. So anyway, I did that this morning. I had to go by UPS and to return an Amazon order, drop it off, and had to, you know, do a few errands. I went to Walmart, had to, you know, get groceries for the week, and so now I am back. And so busy morning, first part of the morning. And then let's see, what's for dinner? Well, I was trying to figure out what I wanted to fix today for dinner, and so I think I'm gonna make tostadas. I bought some tostada shells. I want to just be real easy and simple, and so I think we're having tostadas tonight. So yeah. So that's what's for dinner. Okay, so now I'm gonna go so I can go in there. I'm gonna get myself some coffee, and then I'm gonna start my project with this ball of yarn right here. and put my puzzle together. And then so I will show you tomorrow what it's looking like, what the beginning of the blanket looks like. And then of course I will be drawing the next yarn ball. So happy Vlogmas, everybody. Come along with me on this Vlogmas ride for this month. And yeah, so we will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 2. So yeah, I will try to link the Miracle on 34th Street. I'll try to link it down below, but like I said, I found it on Hulu, and I think it might be on Prime, but it's the 1947 version of it. So if anybody wants to join me in watching it, so yeah. Okay, now I'm going to go. Everybody have a wonderful day, and come back tomorrow, and we will have another little visit for Vlogmas Day 2. Bye.